Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I am discussing about progress video. My week 5 progress report is submitting this video. This week tasks are three type of tasks are giving this week. This week also three main tasks are giving this week. First task is personal task. Personal task this week is two tasks are giving. First task watch one movie. The movie name is Shamshag Redemption. This is one of the famous movie and one of the watched almost everyone is telling best movie in this world, also telling this movie. I watch nice experience also this movie giving power of hope. That's the main thread of the movie, and uh, resilience and friendship. Be friend, that's the main thread of the storyline. Personal developmental development. Second task is book name is Discipline is equal to freedom. I don't watch read the book. 1 week read the book is not possible to me. That's reason for I heard audio book. That's all I read. I that's my I completed all full audio book summary in this book. That's the my knowledge. Okay, I reading 1 week. This is not possible to me. That's reason for I took audiobook summary. That's in this week technical task is divided. MongoDB is the technical task. Main task is technical. One is MongoDB. Is giving a basic exercise of MongoDB. I completed that full assignment in this week. That's it. And I completed progress video about database. I discussing all in this video also. That's technical works out. Third task is miscellaneous task. First one is typing task. I completed typing club almost 300 above level. This time I facing one issue is accuracy and speed. This is two things are I facing some issues in this week. And next task is seminar video. Seminar video I took the topic is Git. I explained this Git, what is Git, use of Git and keywords in Git. That's the full of all video in that progress video, that seminar video. Then next task is progress video. That's video I took in this video. Okay, that's the full of all overview. This week I learned all MongoDB. That's the my main thread in this week. I learned all in MongoDB. That's the main thread in this video. In this week, sorry. That's all guys. In this video I discussing about week 5 progress video. I gradually improving. That's the main thread of this video this week. That's all guys. Bye bye, take care, thank you for watching.